Okay, so hopefully, what do we got? Yes, first we plug in 0 on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, so I'm going to start here. Just rewrite the right side, but now it's on the left, if you're me. And then the other side's going to be a 0. That's the first step every time. You have to put in 0 for the f of x or the y every time. It's always going to be by itself on the other side. And then we just start moving everything over. Okay, we don't like this, so let's move that. All right, now, again, we're solving for x now. So solving means we're just trying to isolate it, get it by itself. So we have to get the parentheses and that squared power out of there before we can take away the 4. So now is our square root step. You're going to do this every time because it's always going to be squared if we're doing parabolas. Same thing on the other side. All right, so then we're going to have just x plus 4 equals Yep, so what's the square root of 16 now? Good, Lizbeth. That's one of them. Remember, there's 2. What's the square root of 16? I'll give you a hint. It's plus or minus something. 4. Good. But don't forget now, it's positive or negative 4. Okay, so now the last thing we would do, don't worry about the plus or minus yet. We cross that bridge when we get to it. All right, now we subtract the 4. So we're going to have just x on the left. But now we have 2 things we have to do. We got to do positive 4 minus 4. And then we have to do negative 4 minus 4. So first one, what do we get if we do positive 4 minus 4? Good. Nice, Carla. 4 minus 4 is definitely going to give us 0. Okay, so that's one of our answers. That's one of our x-intercepts is 0. And then the other one, we got to do negative 4 minus 4. And that should give us negative 8. So that means this graph would cross at 0 and negative 8.